Hey, what's going on, buddy?
I have some hiccups.
You have the hiccups. You can't get rid of them? No? Well, can you tell me what you plan to do to get rid of them?
Eat peanut butter.
Eating peanut butter? What?
Yeah, it helps.
It does?
Mm-hmm.
Where did you get that trick from?
I tried it and it worked one time.
Oh, okay. So let's see how it does, okay? So we're gonna try a spoonful of peanut butter, huh? Go ahead. Let's see if it works. You like peanut butter?
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you get all of it off the spoon.
Hmm?
You gotta get all of it off there.
Mm-hmm. It is.
All of it. So put it in your mouth and you have to suck on it a little bit and use your tongue and get it all out there. You can flip it upside down too. That's what I do. Flip it upside down so you can get your tongue on there and get the rest of it off.
Done.
After you swallow, let's see if it worked. Move the spoon over. I can't see your face. Let me see. That's okay. Just leave it there. Leave it there. No. What about your hiccups, buddy?
Let's listen in here.
Let's listen. Let's wait a second.
It worked!
Are they gone?
Uh-huh.
So what's Grayson's tip for the today on Better Days with Gray? If you have the hiccups, what should you do?
Eat peanut butter.
Try a spoonful of peanut butter. Say, cool, I hope you enjoy my tip.
Cool. I hope you enjoy my tip.